Hello, my name is Tori Earl, and we are Havelock Metal. The following video is a simple look at many of the typical roofing, siding, or other cladding elements of steel. Today we'll be discussing starting square. Take your time to ensure your first sheet is square to the eave by using the 3-4-5 method or increments of the 3-4-5 method. At the corner where an eave and gable meet, measure 8 feet along the eave and mark. Then measure 6 feet up the gable edge from the eave and make another mark. Measure the distance between these two marks. If it is exactly 10 feet, you have a square roof at that corner. If the roof is not square, the sheet along the gable can be trimmed along its length to match. A gable flashing can be used to reduce the visual impact of the trim sheet. Similar adjustments can be made along the eave or ridge to compensate for any discrepancies that may arise. Check all roof corners using this method. Make sure that you check periodically as you go along. If possible, increase the 3-4-5 method to as large as you can. For example, 9, 12, 15, and so on. The larger you go, the more accurate this method becomes. A true square reference line will serve as a guide to make sure your panels are going on straight. Once you begin installing, chances are that your panels may begin drifting off in an undesirable direction. Therefore, an important first step is to chalk a true square reference line onto the roof. The best way to do this is based on the 3-4-5 method. This also ties into taking multiple measurements for sheet lengths on a single roof facet during the roof measuring stage. For further information or further clarification on any of the content in these videos, please feel free to reach out to any of our product specialists. We're always happy to help.